Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time to learn how to use Generative Fill feature on Paint in Windows 11. The Generative Fill feature is a super handy tool in the Pen tab in Windows 11. It uses AI to edit an image with AI-generated content that you can create with a text prompt. That said, let me show you how it works. So first off, you have to hit the Start menu, and then you have to search for Paint and click the top result to open the app. And then you have to click on File, and then you have to select Import to Canvas menu and choose from a file option to add an image. Then you have to click on the rectangle button for the selection tools. Then you have to select the area where you want to use the Generative Fill feature. After that, you have to click Generative Fill button. And then you have to compose a prompt with the details of the object you want to create and click on the Create button. Optionally, you can click on the Try Again button if you want to generate the image again. And then you have to click on Keep button to apply the curation, and that's it. Once you complete these quick steps, the feature will scan the image section and try to create the object based on your prompt. And thanks for watching. Now you are ready to use the Generative Fill feature in the Pen tab in Windows 11 to create amazing edits with just a text prompt. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Got any questions or ideas? Make sure to leave them in the comments below as well, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.